Are you an introvert seeking a fulfilling career that fits your personality and allows you to work from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. I've compiled a list of the top 5 remote jobs that are perfect for those who thrive in quieter, more independent settings. So we have 5 here. We have first promise, perfection, survey time, mutual opinion, and finally we have open. So the first one here we have Promise. This is the home page. As you can see, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into premise.com. Then we have here the home page. We have here you can select the language you want, blog, help center, contact support. You can click for the one you want and earn now other information. First of all, here we have earn money, make an impact, share your knowledge and insights to help businesses and communities make better decisions. Then we have how it works. First of all, you have to create an account, download your app on iOS or Android for free and create an account using your email address to join the Promise contributor community. Then explore our tasks, browse your our task marketplace and select the activities of your choice to complete within minutes. Then finally you get paid, choose the option to be paid instantly via PayPal, Payoneer, are basically dependent on the payment methods available in your country. So this is for Promos. Then the second one we have Perfections. So all I have to do is dive into perfection.com. As you can see here, we have here first information about it. We have here your UH resource in a few days, quantitative study with supports according to your needs. First, we have here we write, we write, we conduct the study, and we recommend. Then we have here USA, performance, China, user experience and benchmark studies, e-commerce, user testing, UX design, our latest white papers. Then we have here first Lacoste, create the agriculture, bikes, telecom enterprise. So all I have to do is read it to more understand. Here we have our full demo in video. Go directly to platform overview, user feedback, analysis, and you can watch the video. Here we have RUH, research and testing methodologies. First, we have individual interview, focus group, quantitative survey, and remote user test. So we have the third one is survey time. As you can see, all I have to do is dive into surveytime.io, get instantly rewarded for every survey you complete. So first of all, you have a sign up. All I have to do is use your Google or Facebook or just sign up with email, as you can see. Then we have how does survey time works. First of all, if you are looking to make money online through paid surveys, then you have reached the right place. The process is as simple as can be. First of all, you sign up for survey for free. Tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey and start earning cash for survey. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. So we have here the benefits of survey time. First of all, we have low withdrawal threshold, then surveys for you. Then we have never miss a new survey. Then we have bonus rebate amount, choose your reward. Survey time is global. So this is it for survey time. As you can see, just get started and earn money. The fourth one is Metro Opinion. You can just dive into metroopinion.com. This is the home page. We have here, you choose first of all your country. Then we have here how to earn with paid surveys in 3 easy steps. First of all, you sign up, then you answer, then you get paid. Then here we have earn money online. It's easy with Metro Opinion. You can read this information to know more. Then payment for surveys easy. You can use PayPal, Fauci, donations. And here we have other information, work from home by doing surveys, how much can you earn by working from home, answer surveys on desktop, tablet or a smartphone. Then we have here how to earn money on surveys. It's easy to join Mutual Opinion and start to earn money on surveys. You can join for free and our service remains free. Then we have here the countries. As you can see, we have here Europe, Albania, Australia, and other countries. We have also North America, South America also. We have also Africa, Oceania, and Asia. Finally, we have the fifth one is Appen. So we dive into appen.com. As you can see, we have here various information. We have first of all make data your different signature. As you can see, also we have your app and improves model performance through human AI collaboration. So it uses AI, as you can see. Also, we have powering AI innovation for more than 25 years. We have here Amazon, as you can see. We have also Microsoft, and then we have Appen supports the AI life cycle. First, we have data sourcing, data preparation, model development, and model evaluation. So why we choose Appen? First of all, is expertise, skill, and quality, and flexibility. For more, we have innovation, high quality data at scale. Discover how Appen accelerates the development of your AI application. So on-pricing work from home opportunities can be a game changer, especially for introverts seeking a peaceful, independent work environment. By exploring careers in freelance writing, graphic design, software development, virtual assistant, and online tutoring, you can unlock your earning potential without sacrificing your comfort. These jobs not only offer flexibility and independence, but also provide excellent financial rewards. Take the first step towards a fulfilling and profitable remote career today and transform your work-life balance for a bit better. So those three jobs can help you guys. As you can see, last one take a lot of time but could help you to earn money. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.